the Daily Dumb Fact, where we serve up truths you can subtract. Did you know a spider has 8 eyes? Ready to learn, time to get on track and fill your brain with a random fact.
Welcome back to the Daily Dumb Fact, the podcast that brings you those little nuggets of knowledge you never knew you needed. I'm your host, Lorraine.
And I'm Ben, and today we're diving into something everyone does, but few truly understand: the humble sneeze.
Achoo! See? Perfect timing. Then what's the dumb fact about sneezing we're kicking off with today?
Well, Lorraine, have you ever tried to sneeze with your eyes open?
No, actually. It feels almost impossible, like my eyelids have a mind of their own.
Exactly, and that's our first dumb fact. It's virtually impossible to sneeze with your eyes open because your body has an involuntary reflex to close them.
So it's not just me being a weak-willed sneezer, but why? Is it because our eyeballs might pop out, as some old wives' tales suggest?
Thankfully, no. While the force of a sneeze is impressive, reaching speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, your eyes are pretty firmly attached by ocular muscles, so they won't go flying. The real reason is more practical and a bit gross, actually.
Oh, do tell.
Biologists believe this reflex exists to protect your eyes from the expulsions during a sneeze. Think about it. A sneeze is your body's way of forcefully clearing irritants from your nose, and you don't want those irritants, mucus, and germs spraying directly into your eyeballs.
That makes perfect, if slightly revolting, sense. So it's basically a built-in protective shield. What other secret lives do sneezes lead?
Did you know that the sneeze cloud, those thousands of bacteria-filled droplets, can actually linger in the air for up to 10 minutes?
10 minutes? That's a good argument for keeping those eyes closed and covering your mouth.
Absolutely. And here's another one. A sneeze is essentially a nasal restart. If something irritates your nose enough to cause a sneeze, it's like your nasal system gets overwhelmed, and the sneeze acts as a hard reset, much like rebooting a computer to clear out a bug. That's why you often sneeze multiple times if the irritant isn't fully cleared.
The nasal reboot. I love it. So next time you hear someone let out a colossal sneeze, just remember, their body is likely performing a high-speed, eye-closing, germ-shielding, nasal rebooting secret mission.
Precisely. And that's your Daily Dumb Fact for today.
Join us next time for more oddly fascinating information.
Welcome to the Daily Dumb Fact, where the info's wild and the logic is crack. Drop a beat now, don't you hold back. Learn a thing that you can't take back.